Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic we will see how to fix Steam not opening games. Chapter 1. How to fix Steam not opening games verifying game integrity. To start, open Steam. Here, right-click on the game and select Properties. After that, go to the Installed Files section. Then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. You must wait for this process to finish to do the respective analysis. Chapter 2. How to fix Steam not opening games updating drivers. To get started, right-click on Start and select Device Manager. Then in Display Adapters, right-click on the driver, click on Update Driver. Here, click on Search automatically for drivers. Wait a bit for this quest to finish. Chapter 3. How to fix Steam not opening games clearing Steam cache. First of all, close the Steam app. After this, right-click on Start and select Run. In the Run box, enter the command steam://flushconfig/ click on OK. After that, you can open Steam. Chapter 4. How to fix Steam not opening games moving the game. To get started, open Steam, then right-click on the game and select Properties. In this window, go to the Installed Files section. At this point, click on Move Install Folder. You are going to choose the drive where the game will move, and once defined, click Move. Wait for the action to complete. Chapter 5. How to fix Steam not opening games reinstalling the game. To start, open Steam. After this, right-click on the game and in Manage you will click on Uninstall. In this window, click on Uninstall and wait for the Steam game to be uninstalled. Then click Install and you will wait for the game to be downloaded, verified, and installed on Steam. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 6. How to fix Steam not opening games configuring shortcut. To start, open Steam. Then right-click on the game and in Manage, click on the Browse Local Files option. In the Explorer window, right-click on the game shortcut and choose Properties. After this, in the Compatibility tab, you are going to check the boxes. Run this program in compatibility mode 4, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as an administrator. Click on Apply. Finally, click Run Compatibility Troubleshooter. You can interact with the assistant and check if it provides any solution. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.